Storm's Tech Channel here, and today I'm doing with the Samsung Galaxy A27 5G for Straight Talk Wireless. So the Galaxy A27 is currently up for pre-orders as I'm recording this video here on July 19th, 2026, and it says here it's currently up for pre-orders and expected ship date is by July 27th, 2026. So yeah, we'll see about that. So as I'm recording this video here, it is up for pre-order, so pretty interesting there. So the Galaxy A27 5G straight talk is $249.99, which is $100 cheaper than the actual full retail price of the phone, which is $349.99. So if you guys want to get this phone, but on a bit of a discount, straight talk is the way to go because it is $100 cheaper than the actual full retail price of the phone, which is $349.99. But you guys can get it for $249.99. All right. So that's a win. So it is available in the black color there. As you guys will see right there, very nice looking phone. It looks like any other recent Samsung smartphone. You guys can pay monthly for it. You guys can pay $10.42 a month for 24 months for SmartPay there. You guys can do that. Yeah, so that's for back to phone. So anyways, you guys got your whole punch there for your front facing camera there, power bank, keeps on the rest of the phone. Back of the phone, of course, has your triple camera system, camera flash, and your Samsung logo. There's the phone right there. The rest of the phone is right there, power button. In the brain case, you do have that it's indented on the right side, so that's interesting. So you do have a fingerprint sensor on this phone. It's either your power button or it is an in-display fingerprint sensor. I'm not really sure what that. For retail price, like I said, $249.99. But you guys can apparently do the PayPal pay later available at checkout, so that's interesting as well. Says it's just by July 27th, 2026, so that's interesting as well. It says they're introducing Galaxy A27 5G. Galaxy A27 5G makes a pretty different with it. The centered punch hole and similar bezel provide a more immersive viewing experience that makes everything from streaming videos to reading recipes feel smoother and easier on the eyes. It's a stylish modern design that makes it feel like it belongs to a more expensive device, which, like I said, it looks like any other Samsung phone recently, so while design-wise, it's pretty much the same as any other Samsung phone recently, so, yeah. Plus, with awesome intelligence, especially with Samsung's AI, features built right in. Everyday tasks take less effort. Circle to search with Google lets you instantly search what's on your screen without switching apps. What a great feature. Every phone should have that. It is exclusive to the Samsung phones and Pixel phones. The Circle to search is. Well, Object Eraser helps clean up your favorite photos in just a few taps. The Galaxy A27 5G keeps things simple, intuitive, and ready for real life. Awesome price, amazing value. There's the front and front back right there. Specs. It runs Android 16 with One UI 8.5. I'm pretty sure One UI 8.5 is pre-installed on this phone when you guys get it. You guys will get 6 years of OS and security updates. You guys will get OS updates to Android 22, so that's pretty cool. You guys have 5G sub 6 gigahertz in C-band. Dimensions 6.39 inches height, 3.08 inches width, and 0.31 inches depth. Display 6.7 inches, Full HD plus Super AMOLED, 120Hz refresh rate, which is pretty much standard now on all phones. The cameras, you have a 12 megapixel front-facing camera. You have a 50 megapixel wide camera, a 5 megapixel ultra wide, and then 2 megapixel macro camera lens in the back with flash. 5,000 mAh battery. Bluetooth 5.1. Snapdragon 6 Gen 3 chipset, octa-core, 128 gigabytes of storage, 6 gigabytes of RAM. You do have a micro SD card slot on this phone. The Galaxy A27 5G weighs 7.05 ounces. It has eSIM option, or you can get a nano special SIM card if you guys want to do that. It has Samsung Knox 3.13. So yeah. What comes with the devices is, of course, your Samsung Galaxy A27 5G smartphone, activation card, Type-C to Type-C charging cable, which you'll need to get a charger separately for that. Quick start guide, about your phone booklet, and your some ejection tool. So it does have a micro SD card slot, so take advantage of that. Just front and back once more. Features awesome sound that keeps up, powerful sound and clear calls. Super fast charge, full speed ahead with long lasting battery, voice transcriptions, and instant translation with voice recorder. Quick share 5G connectivity, sleek, modern, awesome AMOLED display. To play videos, scroll the news, and read recipes on only 6.7-inch screen that makes immersive viewing truly awesome. Snap all ready selfies from late night pics with friends to quick selfies for socials. The upgraded 12-megapixel HDR front camera of Galaxy A27 5G helps you look clear and natural in almost any light. Circle it, find it, satisfy your curiosity on the spot using Circle to search with Google. A great feature to have. Awesome photos, effortless edits. Save time polishing photos with the help of my filter, object eraser, and edit suggestion. Simple, impactful, awesome. The clean, simple Galaxy A27 5G design delivers a phone that's that's light in your hand and awesome to look at. And the phone looks very nice. It does look very nice. Do you like the design of the phone? I think it looks really nice. Like I said, it looks like any other Samsung phone recently, so design wise it's pretty much the same. 6 years of updates, awesome security, 6 OS upgrades, and 6 years of security updates mean you can keep your Galaxy A27 5G longer, making it a great value for years to come, which a lot of people do keep their phones for several years now, so having that peace of mind is a win. So yeah. You guys will get all the way up to Android 22 on this phone, so that's pretty cool. So yeah. So yeah, there you guys have the Samsung Galaxy A27 5G. It is now at Straight Talk, currently up for pre-orders as I'm recording this video here, July 19th, 2026. Supposed to ship July 27th, 2026. So we'll see about that. If you guys like the Galaxy A devices, from Samsung, the Galaxy A27 is worth checking out. Here it's a brand new second phone that has great specs and features for what it is. For $249.99, that's definitely worth getting because everywhere else the full retail price of this phone is $349.99. So you're getting this phone $100 off at Straight Talk. So if you guys want to save some money and you guys want this phone, Straight Talk is the way to go for this particular phone here. So yeah, so if you guys enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up, guys. It really helps me out a lot. Please rate, comment, subscribe. Thank you very much for watching my video, and catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.